Hi friends, today we will discuss what is lead management. So normally any bank staff or any sales agent, they'll come to you and they'll ask you, sir, we have credit card product, we have debit card product, we have insurance product, are you interested? If you are not interested, the next question from the bank staff or sales agent will be like, sir, can you give me any lead, any of your friends, colleagues, relatives, they are interested in these products, can you give their mobile number, name, so that we'll contact them? So this will become a lead. So lead will be like a potential customer. In future, the lead can be converted as a customer. So a lead will be converted to prospect. So when you get the lead, after talking to them, if he is really interested on your product and you have certain criteria in the bank, for example, when the person comes to my bank, he should have a KYC and he should have a CIBIL rating. For example, you want a loan, a CIBIL rating should be 650. If he having that qualification, then he'll become a prospect. This is a second stage because you have verified the criteria also. So these lead will become prospect, then prospect will become customer. So once he will be customer, then relationship will be started. So customer can open a savings account, customer can open a current account, he can take a deposit, or he can give a he can take a loan, or he can use any of our services, he will become a customer. How these leads will be sourced, from where these leads will be generated? From email marketing, and you can in your bank website or your organization website, you can mention like, if you are interested in gold loan, if you are interested a loan on securities, please enter your mobile number, name, so that our marketing people will directly contact you and they'll complete the process. Paid ads, social media. So some ads you can see in social media, Facebook. There you can say, if you are interested, then click this link and you enter your name, mobile. Referral already discussed. Events in Super Bazaar, in malls. Somebody will be from that organization. Somebody will be standing with the big hoarding. Then they'll take your mobile number. Then after 1 day, 2 days, you'll get a call from that bank or institution. Walk-in customers. So for example, customer comes to bank for cash deposit, cash withdrawal, but he may interested in a gold loan, housing loan. So he'll give, this is my number, I'm interested for housing loan. So that front end staff, they'll take the customer mobile number, name, then these will be passed on to the concerned department. They'll directly call the customer and they'll start the process. These are resources. Lead generation, whatever we are discussed, lead generation will be generated. The leads from different areas will be lead generation. Lead decision, after lead is received, whether you can approve, hold, reject, is having all the qualifications or all the parameters set by the bank. If is having all the parameters are passed, then that lead will be approved. Or right now you don't want to make him as a customer, but in future you want to make him a customer, maybe after 2 months, after 1 month, whether that suitable product is not in the bank, then these will be released after 1 year or 2 years or 1 month or 2 months. You can keep it as a hold. When this product is ready, then you can call him and you can make him a customer. Reject means he is not qualified, then you can reject the lead. So lead conversion, from lead you give some service and make him a customer, this is the conversion. So conversion rate, 100 leads, 20% conversion means in 100 leads, 20 leads has converted as a customers. So this is the conversion percentage. So what are the details captured during the lead generation? So these will be different from organization to organization and product to product. These are different. Normally they'll collect the name, address, phone number, email ID, KYC document number, and whether or other relevant information. If the lead is interested in a loan, deposit, or account, any other service, they'll get the while generating the lead, these details will be captured. So these lead will be these leads will be tagged to our staff, our direct sales agent, our business correspondent, marketing staff. So when a lead is tagged to a staff, or direct sales agent, or business correspondent, marketing staff, so these lead generation, sometimes your performance pay will be linked to lead generation, or your incentive will be linked to lead generation, or your target will be there. Every month you have to generate 200 leads. So with the tagging, you can get the concerned information. And when leads are generated, you have a bank staff, direct sales agents, or agents. How to assign these leads to agents? Auto assign means you have preconditions, automatically lead will be assigned to staff. Second, round robin. So leads each equally it will be distributed. You have 5 agents available in branch. You have 10 leads. Every agent 2 leads will be assigned. Geographical wise, you have some leads, but some agents are in Kukatpalli, some agents are in Banjara Hills, some agents are in LB Nagar. So this is equally, it will not be it will not be assigned. Depend on the location. For example, 5 leads in Kukatpalli, that directly assigned to agents available in Kukatpalli. Only one lead in LB Nagar. So maybe there 3-4 agents are there, but only one agent will get the lead. Depend on the geographic, these leads will be assigned. Manual assign means here it will not be assigned any lead to any agent. A lead manager or your sales manager manually will pick up each lead and he'll assign to one agent. This is a purely manual process. So after this lead assignment, so they'll call the customer and they'll fix the meeting time, date, place, and they'll get the relevant information. Later this lead can be converted as a customer. So if it is lead is not idle, for example, one lead is assigned to one agent, 4 hours there is no action, then this can be reassigned to another agent. Some within half an hour, some people they want to work only during office hours, some people they are interested work after office hours also. Depend on that one, a lead manager will assign the leads to the different people. You have agent 1 and agent 2. Agent 1 will work only during office hours. Agent 2 he'll work after office hours also. Any lead comes after 5 o'clock, that will be given to the agent 2. Bulk assignment, you have groups, different groups, and you have 100 leads. 100 leads will be assigned to one group. In that group, 5-10 people, they'll take the total responsibility based on pin code. For example, somebody is in Madinaguda, somebody is in Banjara Hills, somebody is in Jubilee Hills. So one lead is there in Jubilee Hills, and right now any agent is available in that pin code, automatically this uh, lead will be assigned to the agent. If he is not attended for 2-3 hours, automatically this will be assigned to another person, another agent available in the same address or same pin code. Advantages of lead management will be capturing the leads, capturing the lead data, tracking progress, how many leads converted to customers. For example, 100 leads converted to customers, 20 they become the customers, means 20% is the conversion ratio. Progress, how these are progress. Assigned to sales teams, you can auto assign is there or manual assign is there. Creating task, and you are tracking the task, whether the task is completed or not. You can track everything in lead management system. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please comment, please like my video, and